Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome if you're new to my channel. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you a live swatch and just some information about one particular color. And yeah, this series is called Nail Polish of the Week, if you didn't know that already. I always swatch and just talk about one particular color, just talk you through about it and just have some fun while doing it. But first of all, if you are going to do your nails together with me while watching this video, always start off with clean nails. Make sure that your previous manicure is completely off. Just use some acetone or just a nail polish remover and you want to go in with a base coat. So I just use my oldie but goodie by Essence. You can use any base coat to your likings, but just make sure to apply a good layer if you are going in with the same polish that I'm using today, because it is a beautiful red and reds tend to stain the nails really badly, and just to prevent any like massive stains from happening, make sure to apply a good layer of base coat. So today's polish is by Essie. This one is called Leading Lady. It's number 246. I think I got this like 5 years ago already or something. I don't own that many Essie polishes because I feel like 10 euros for a polish is a little bit on the higher side in my opinion. I know that OPI is like way more expensive here in the Netherlands. Those are like 14 or 15 euros, which is actually insane because I know that in the US they run for like $6 or something, which is like 5 euros and a bit. So I think that's like crazy. Why are they so expensive here? But that's a whole other like rambly rant story for another time. I'm just going in with the first layer of Leading Lady. As I said, I got this a while ago. I'm not sure if it is still in their collection, but I know that you can still get it online, whether it's through eBay or Amazon or something like that. But this is a beautiful dark like ox blood kind of red with beautiful red glitter in there. Like, you guys know me, I love my bling, I love my glitter, and I'm really looking forward to like the holiday season, like Christmas. Here in Holland we also have Sinterklaas. Yeah, I'm just really excited for that, and I just wanted to start it off, like kick off holiday season a little bit already with this beautiful like bloody red color. This would be really cool to use for Halloween as well, but yeah, maybe something for next year because I have already recorded all of my Halloween designs for this year. But if you're really into reds, I definitely recommend this color, and definitely recommend it if you are into glitter like I am. Of course, this color will be a little bit more difficult to remove because of the glitters, but they're so gorgeous. Like, just keep it on for life, I'd say. But if you want any tips or tricks on how to actually soak off glittery polishes like that, I already have made a couple of like nail care routines and stuff in which I also show you how I soak off my polishes. But I will also make a video, or I actually already made a video on how to easily remove glitter and glitter nail polishes. So just stay tuned and keep an eye out for my channel. That will be uploaded pretty soon as well. I'm already just gathering all of my footage and editing those. So yeah, if you want to know more about that and not have the struggle or of like scrubbing your nails to get rid of the glitter, just stay tuned. But I just applied the second layer of this beautiful Essie polish already. I think it is so beautiful, just kind of a unique polish as well, because I don't really see red polishes with red glitter in them very often. Usually it's like a red and then you have silver glitter. Oh, and here one of my lights actually turned off by itself. I don't know what was happening in this video. Like, it happened a couple of times. It was quite frustrating. I don't know. Maybe there was like a ghost just playing with my lamps or something. I don't know. But yeah, just apply your top coat when your layers of polish are completely dried. Because this is a glittery polish, they tend to dry a little bit faster than usual, so I usually wait for like 3 to 5 minutes in between each layer. Of course, if you do apply thick layers, you might have to wait a lot longer than that, so I would always suggest to just use thin layers. Like, the thinner the layer, the faster it will be dry. So just wait a couple of minutes before applying your top coat, just to make sure you don't have like ages of waiting time before your polishes are completely hardened out, because no one wants a dent in their freshly painted manicures, am I right? So yeah, this was already the new nail polish of the week video with this beautiful leading lady color by Essie. I just love it so much. I can't wait to start holiday season. And yeah, let me know what you think about this color. Do you actually own it yourself? I'm really curious about that. If you have any questions, don't be scared to ask them in the comments down below. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.